Chapter 1: Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. Naipospos Group. This group split in half. The older half, the rising from Toga Magbun, inhabits a rather large area in North Humbang 9A, and also has a branch in Bakara. Single branches of the component marga, Lumban Batu and Banjar Nahor occupy the Sanggaran and Hikit territories in the Benzoin region 9B. Some small groups of Magbun are also in continuous mews in the few small territories of the Humbang Plateau, among others CP to Huta, while in the Kelasan district in Upper Bagus, a quartet of Marga, Magbun, Sehun, Meha, and Mukur lie together. These Marga must also belong to this tribal group and are said to have sprung from Lumban Batu. The Martua Same, the Martua Same half went to the Sipo Holland Valley, an adjacent part of the Humbang Plateau 9C, in which region each of the four component Marga, Sinaga Baryang, Huta Simanuk Kalit, and Situmeyang occupies its southern territory. Some parts of all four Marga went westward to the mountainous Huglang region and to the coastal area of Lower Barus.